Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to cancel a transaction on Sadapay, whether it was accidental or just needs fixing, so you can act fast before it goes through. First off, if the payment is still pending, open the app and check your transaction history. If there's an option to cancel or reverse the transfer before it's processed, do it right away. But here's the deal. Once the money leaves your account, you can't cancel it from the app like a regular bank transfer. You'll need to contact Sadapay support ASAP and explain what happened. The faster you reach out, the better your chances of getting it reversed, especially if it was sent to the wrong person. You can usually find the support chat inside the app or call their customer service line directly. So should you panic? Not yet. Just move fast, get in touch with support, and give them all the details. Let me know in the comments if you've canceled a transaction on Sadapay before. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.